Feeling good and looking good start with what you put into your body. So every morning I make sure to use my Just Bjorn Marine Collagen Powder. I've been on a journey to strengthen my nails, regrow my hair, fix my skin, and this product does all three. You can put it into your tea, your coffee, your oatmeal. It is tasteless, it's odorless. This is how my hair was looking before, how it's looking now. It's only been a month, so I still have a long way to go, but I'm so happy with the results I'm seeing so far. This is also supportive of your joint and your gut health as well, so there's a lot of different benefits to it. And this is what my skin was looking like before and how it's looking now. Very much hydrated, very much bouncy, more elasticity. And with the joint support, I don't feel as achy as I normally do during or after my workouts. This was gifted to me, but these are my honest opinions, and I will link it down below for you guys as well. So make sure to check out Just Bjorn. Their marine collagen is amazing. I've been trying to grow my natural nails. I've been wearing artificial nails since I was 16. So I cut off my fake nails. So you guys can see my new nails are growing in really fast. All this white nail down here is a new nail, and the pink part is the old nail that's growing off. And I'm so excited because this product is making my nails grow so fast. I can't wait for all this damaged nail to be growing off so that way I can really see what my nails are capable of. But so far the journey is going great.